All right, hello, boys and girls. I want to go over Xtra Math with you because we're going to be using that program. And some of you may have already used it before, and some of you, it might be new to you. So let's go over some directions for that. If you'd like to get quick access to Xtra Math, go to our Edmodo, and at the top of any of our pages, there's our Bitmoji. So we click on the Bitmoji. And then in here in our classroom, see this little calculator guy on the shelf? That's our Xtra Math guy. So we're going to click on him. Okay, so then it's going to be at student where we need to sign in. Okay, your sign in is always going to be my, let me move you down here, my email. So Sandy, it's trying to show up already for us. Sandy Martinez at visioncsd.org. And then I'm going to pick my pretend student. All right.
Welcome to Xtra Math. I'm Mr. C. I'm going to help you get better and faster at math. You want to be better and faster at math, don't you? Are you ready to get started? Press the button to start.
Okay.
We'll start out with a short quiz to find out how well you can answer these addition problems. I'll give you the easiest problems first. Try to remember the answer if you can. Otherwise, try to figure it out. Don't guess. If you make a mistake or cannot figure out the answer, I will show you the right answer so you can type it in. Try to answer as many as you can before the quiz is over, but don't go so fast that you make mistakes. When you are ready, press the button.
All right, so we're going to do a variety of things. I'm going to show you lots of different ways of answering the questions. Okay, on the bottom here, you'll see these little dots. They're not filled in all the way yet, but they're filling in now. That's a little timer. It wants me to answer before that timer. Now that's what happens if I get it wrong. Now watch what happens. I still have it wrong. Okay, it starts to show up really faintly right there with the right answer. So type it in. So I'm going to get some of these correct and I'm going to get some of these wrong, just so that we can see what our placement's going to be quickly. Get a couple of these wrong. Okay. Getting some of these right. Okay, so then if I wait too long, like if I'm thinking about this and I'm adding it up, or I get distracted and I'm looking somewhere else, my time is running out. And then I'm also going to get this little blue hourglass that's saying, hey, pay attention, you're not focusing on your test. So keep going. I'm just going to answer some of these really quickly, and sometimes I'm going to make a mistake so I can show you what it'll look like on the graph. See if I can figure it out. What could that be? Oh, I've got my timer coming up. What's going to happen if I wait for that timer? Now, we don't want to wait on purpose. Oh, I can see my 13 showing up there. Okay, hopefully we're coming to the end here quickly. We'll answer some of these. Okay.
Okay, you are done with the quiz. See the matrix over there? It shows how you did. If you see a green check mark, it means you got that answer right. If you see a red X, it means you got that answer wrong. If you see a blue hourglass, it means time ran out on that question. The best thing to get is a smiley face. It means you got that answer right and did it quickly. With practice, you will be able to get smiley faces every time. Take a look at your results, then press the button to go on to the next activity.
All right, so it's looking at what I've got wrong and what I need to practice. Let's see what we're going to have next.
We are going to do another short quiz on addition and give you some of the problems we didn't get to on the first quiz. It's a short quiz like last time, so stay focused until you are finished. Don't worry about mistakes. You can show that you know the right answer in the future. Just do your best and everything will be okay. Press the button to start the quiz.
Okay, so we're going to go finish our quiz. And I'll do a mix of right and wrong answers just to see what our results will look like. Maybe if I can prove that I can do it, the quiz will be short. We'll see. Whoopsie. If I go too fast, I can make some simple mistakes. See, I'm making some simple mistakes. Okay. Hopefully coming close to the end. Maybe if I can prove I know the answers, then he'll let me move on to the next activity. A mix up of a few different things. There we go. Congratulations, you got a new trophy. Looking sharp. Okay.
That's it for the quiz. Look at the matrix over there to see your results, then press the button to go on.
Okay, so I can see there's some red X's here. I'm pretty sure he's going to have me practice those.
All right, now it is time to practice. These are the problems that we are going to focus on right now. The way we are going to do it is called Race the Teacher. Here's how it works. For each problem, you try to answer it before I do. If you do, I'll give you a smiley sticker, and we'll see how many smileys you can get in a row. Ready? Press the button to start.
Okay. We'll run through these. He wants us to race him, so we'll see how it goes if I do some mistakes here. All right. Okay, hopefully this will be quick, boys and girls. Sorry. He sure has given us a lot of problems to do, isn't he? I'm going to time out. Let's see what happens. I don't get it. He's just going to wait for me, I think. And then look, it's faintly showing up, so I know what to type. I think Mr. C thinks I'm really bad at my nines because I've made so many little mistakes. All right.
You are done with that practice. Here's the most smileys you got in a row. Do you think you can get more next time? I bet you can. Press the button when you are ready to go on.
Okay.
Congratulations. You're almost finished with Xtra Math for today. I hope you liked it. The last thing you need to do is click the sign out button. That's easy. Come back tomorrow so we can do some more math, okay?
Okay. All right, so then we're going to sign out. But you can leave this open. You don't have to close it because you're on your own computer. So I want you to do that today. I want you to take your placement today, and I want you to practice until he tells you to sign out. And then we're going to do that every few days. So we won't do it again tomorrow, but we'll probably do it Wednesday. So go ahead and practice those. Do your best. We want to get really good at those. And Mr. C will be a lot of fun to help you get there. All right. Thank you and good luck.